same. This one doesn't actually have that much crunch. This one's pretty clear, except for this crap down here.
Right.
But all the tall stuff's yeah, all the tall stuff's is flaky as well. Go down with a McCulloch. You'd knock it over in 15 minutes flat with a big chainsaw.